Good morning, class. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back after a long gap, means a gap of 2 or 3 days. We are back in the class. I have taken one new topic from NCRT Marigold book, English Marigold book, chapter number 13, and the name of the chapter is Topsy Turvy Land, and it's written by H.E. Wilkinson, and it's a poem. What it is? It is a poem. Students, it's a poem. ये क्या है? Topsy Turvy Land. It's a poem written by H.E. Wilkinson. Today we are going to discuss about topsy-turvy. What do you mean by topsy-turvy? Topsy-turvy means upside down. The meaning of topsy-turvy means upside down. Upside down. Look here carefully, students. What do you mean by topsy-turvy? Topsy-turvy means upside down. And it is a poem written by here. What here? Look in the cloud here. It's the poet. Who is this fellow? He is the poet of the poem Topsy-Turvy Land. Poet of the poem Topsy Turvy Land. Okay, students, before reciting or explaining the poem, there is some question asked by the poet to you all. Here are some questions which I have written on the board, and this question is being asked by H.E. Wilkinson to the students of class 5. Now you have to answer me. आपको ये आंसर बताना है. जो कवि है इस कविता का, उसने कुछ प्रश्न आपसे पूछा है. पोएम कविता को पढ़ने से पहले, कविता को समझने से पहले यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके लिए. देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट हैव यू एवर थ्रोन योर बैग, योर स्कूल बैग ऑन योर बेड? हैव यू एवर थ्रोन योर स्कूल बैग ऑन योर बेड? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू, कितने लोगों ने अपना स्कूल बैग बिस्तर पे फेंका है वापस स्कूल से जाकर के? मेनी ऑफ यू. मैंने खुद फेंका था. हाँ, मैं खुद फेंक देता हूँ कि माई मॉम विल कलेक्ट, मम्मी उठा के रख देगी. यस, वेरी गुड. यस, या आयुष प्रताप. यस, डोंट लाई. झूठ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ यस, रेज योर हैंड कि यस आई हैव डन इट. हमने किया है बचपन में. यस, बचपन में हमने किया है. वी हैव डन ऑल दिस थिंग्स. जब हम चाइल्डहुड में लाइफ से गुजरते हैं तो हम स्कूल से थके हुए आते हैं. रिटर्न, व्हेन वी रिटर्न बैक होम from school, we are tired, so we throw our bag on the bed. Yes. Second question, have you ever left your shoes and socks here and there? Yes. मोजा कहीं और, socks कहीं और, shoes कहीं और. Yes. हाँ, we have seen on my bed below the near the pillow socks is there. जब सोने जाते तब पता चलता है क्या मैंने socks यहाँ रखा हुआ है, बदबू आ रही है, वो तकिए के पास. हाँ, yes, we have, yes, many of you have done this. बहुत लोगों ने किया हुआ है. Sometimes it happens that we do not remove our socks. हम जूता खोलते हैं और मोजा नहीं निकालते हैं और सीधा खाने बैठ जाते हैं. मम्मी, give me food, I am hungry. Yes, many of you. These are the questions asked by the poet to the students. The first question was that, have you ever thrown your school bag on your bed? Yes, we have done it. Have you ever left your shoes and socks here and there? Yeah, sometimes. Not always, but sometimes it is done by us. Next, third question is that, have you ever played with your ball in your room? Have you ever played a ball in your room? आपने कभी कमरे के अंदर बॉल खेला है? Yes. Yeah, we have done it. Next. Now, does your room sometimes look like this? Now look at the picture. Look at the picture. What is given here? Does your room sometimes look like this? क्या आपका रूम कभी इस तरीके से दिखता है? Yes. Yeah, our room sometimes look like this. हमारा भी कमरा कभी कभार ऐसा दिखता है. बैग कहीं और है. Some books are here and there. Socks here and there. Bag we keep on the bed. Yes. Many of you in winter season आप पढ़ते समय वहीं सो जाते हो बैग रख करके तकिया बना करके. Yes, हम करते हैं. We used to do. Yeah, don't say I sit in my study table and study. Many of you, आप ये कहोगे हम स्टडी टेबल पे बैठ के पढ़ाई करते हैं. नो, इन विंटर यू विल सिट इन योर ऑन योर बेड कवरिंग विद अ ब्लैंकेट. ब्लैंकेट से आप चादर से ओढ़ करके आप भले पढ़ाई करोगे और वहीं सो जाओगे रख के. यस, इट हैपेंस. बच्चों के साथ ये होता है. तो कवि ने आपसे पूछा है ये 4 क्वेश्चंस. क्या कभी आपका कमरा इस तरीके से दिखता है? डज योर रूम समटाइम्स लुक लाइक दिस? यस, समटाइम्स आवर रूम लुक लाइक दिस. एवरी डे हम उसको वेल मैनर्ड से अरेंज करके नहीं रखते हैं एवरी डे. समटाइम इट हैपेंस, कभी कभार हो जाता है. राइट? एम आई राइट स्टूडेंट? शो मी योर थंब. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now let us move on to our poem. Now read about one such upside down land. Now we are going to read about a land. एक ऐसी जगह के बारे में हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. We are going to read about such land where everything is upside down. This is only sometimes ना. यहाँ तो हमारे यहाँ घर में कभी कभार ऐसा हमारा कमरा दिखता है, लेकिन हम ऐसे लैंड के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जहां पर everything is upside down. Everything is upside down. Okay, now let us read and enjoy the poem, class. The people work upon their hats. The sea is made of sand. The child go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. Now we are going to discuss about a land topsy-turvy. And I have told you, what do you mean by topsy-turvy? Topsy-turvy means upside down. Now, in topsy-turvy land, the people walk upon their head. The people walk upon their head. Now look here. एक ऐसी जगह के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जहां पे लोग अपने सर के बल चलते हैं. यस. नाउ लुक हियर. सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा. टॉपसी टर्वे. यस. द सी इज मेड ऑफ सैंड. नाउ लुक हियर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सी? आई होप यू नो. सी इज मेड ऑफ व्हाट? वाटर. ना? सी इज मेड ऑफ वाटर. बट इन टॉपसी टर्वे लैंड द सी इज मेड ऑफ व्हाट? सैंड. जो समुद्र है, ओशन है, नदियां हैं, वो टॉपसी टर्वे लैंड में सैंड का बना हुआ है. मींस इट इज अ रोड. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ सैंड. द चिल्ड्रन गो टू स्कूल by night in topsy turvy land. In topsy turvy land, the children go to school at night. Now look at the first paragraph. Look carefully. Everything is upside down. The first stanza, read properly. First stanza को ध्यान से सुनिएगा. I am repeating again. The people walk upon their hats. The people walk upon their hats. वो सर के बल चलते हैं. The sea is made of sand. The sea is road. नदी नदी नहीं रहा, वो सड़क हो गया. वहां वो सीमेंट का बना हुआ है. इट्स मेड ऑफ सैंड. रेत और बालू का बना हुआ है. नेक्स्ट. द चाइल्ड गो टू स्कूल बाय नाइट इन टॉपसी टर्वे लैंड. इन टॉपसी टर्वे लैंड द स्टूडेंट्स यूज्ड टू गो टू स्कूल एट नाइट. The students go to school at night in topsy turvy land. The first stanza of the poem, I hope it is clear, everybody. Clear? The people work upon their hats. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy turvy land. Now let us see the next one. Next stanza. The front door is at the back. The front door is at the back. The front door is at the back. I am repeating again. Look at the action. The front door is the back. Is at the back. जो हमारे आगे का डोर है वो टॉपसी टर्वे लेन में पीछे का है. Now let us see. You are walking when you stand. In topsy turvy land, if you are simply standing, it means you are walking. अगर आप शांत खड़े हो टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड, मतलब उल्टा हो रहा है हर चीज. You are walking. You are walking in topsy turvy land. Yes. Now let us see. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy turvy land. Now look here, students. This is topsy turvy land. People walk upon their head. ये सर के बल चल रहे हैं. In topsy turvy land, people wear their hat. Hat means what? You can say yes, cap. People wear their hat upon their feet. Yes, people wear their hat, this cap, upon their feet. पैरों में पहनते हैं टोपी. In topsy turvy land. Once again, look at the second stanza, students. What is it written? It's written that the front door is at the back. जो फ्रंट डोर स्टेप है, जो आगे की सीढ़ी जिससे हम घर के अंदर आते हैं, द प्लेस वेल वी एंटर इन द रूम. इन टॉपसी टर्वे लैंड इट इज द बैक साइड रूम. हम बाहर निकलते हैं उससे. ओके. नाउ यू आर वॉकिंग व्हेन यू स्टैंड. व्हेन यू आर स्टैंडिंग यू आर वॉकिंग. यू आर नॉट. नाउ कैन यू से दैट आई एम वॉकिंग? क्या मैं चल रहा हूं? आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर. नो, आई एम नॉट वॉकिंग. बट इन टॉपसी टर्वी लैंड, इफ आई स्टैंड मीन्स आई एम वॉकिंग. If I stand means I am walking. In topsy turvy land, you wear your hat upon your feet. आप अपना hat जो है पैरों में पहनते हैं. In topsy turvy land. The second paragraph it's over. 2 paragraph. First stanza, second stanza, 2 stanza is over. Now let us see the third stanza. And buses on the sea, you will meet. You will meet. Where you will meet the bus? In our land, we will meet the bus on the road. In our land we meet the bus on the road. हम बस से हमारी मुलाकात कहाँ होती है? अपनी भूमि पर, अपने लैंड में, सड़क पर. But in topsy turvy land, when you go to the sea, you will meet a bus. The bus will travel in the sea. Yes, the buses, they are traveling in the sea, means everything is upside down. सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा हो रहा है. जो पानी में तैरना चाहिए वो सड़क पे चल रहा है, और जो सड़क पे चलना चाहिए वो पानी में तैर रहा है. Okay, now let us see. You can see in the picture, see how, just imagine, look at carefully, ध्यान से देखो. People are sitting in the bus and they are traveling in the sea. Everything is upside down. यहाँ बस में बैठे हुए हैं और नीचे देखो ये चल कहाँ रहे हैं. They are not on the road, students. बच्चों ये सड़क नहीं है. It is a sea. वो नदी में है. Yes. Now let us see. So buses you will meet in the sea. In topsy turvy land, you will meet the bus in the sea. Now, while the pleasure boats are plain. Plain means samtal area. Plain. Look here. Plain. Plain. According to the poem, we can say road or plain area. So you will meet while the pleasure boards. Boards का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by board? Now. Board means now. You will get the board or you will meet the board on the road. Yes, जो डोंगी वगैरह होता है, जो नाव होता है, वो नदियों में तैरता है. But in topsy turvy land, they all run on the road. They all travel on the roads. To travel up and down the street. Yes, you will find the pleasure boats on the plain road, and they are traveling on the road up and down, up and down. Now let us see of the topsy turvy land. This is the third stanza of the poem. Students, listen once again. And the buses on the sea you will meet. You will meet the bus on the sea. Yes, and the pleasure board, that small board, you can find them where? On the road. Now, how it's possible? It's not possible in our land. It's possible only in topsy turvy land where everything is upside down. Now, let us see the last one. You pay for what you never get. If you are not purchasing anything, you have to pay. You pay for what you have, you will what you never get. आप जो चीज आपने लिया नहीं उसके लिए आपको देना पड़ेगा. You have to pay. आपने कुछ नहीं खरीदा तो पैसे देने हैं आपको. You have to pay for that. Do you understand? ऐसा लैंड, स्टूडेंट्स, बच्चों ध्यान से सुनो. उम्मीद करता हूं कि अगर इफ यू वेर देयर ऑन दैट लैंड, यू विल परचेस एवरीथिंग. आप हर चीज खरीदोगे क्योंकि पैसा नहीं देना है. अगर नहीं खरीदोगे तो पैसा देना पड़ेगा. राइट ना? यस. So here it is written, you pay for what you never get. आपको कुछ नहीं मिलता है, फिर आपको पे करना पड़ेगा. For that you have to pay something. But if you get something, oh, मैंने ये खरीद लिया, मैंने वो खरीद लिया, I purchased all these things. क्यों खरीदा? Because I don't have to pay. सब कुछ उल्टा हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ नहीं देना है, सारा दुकान खरीद लिया मैंने. Right ना? Yes. So if you in topsy turvy land, you pay for what you never get. Now let us see. I think it must be grand. Yes, grand means बड़ा मस्ती होता होगा, बहुत अच्छा लगता होगा. Students, am I right? आपको भी मजा आ रहा होगा कि ऐसा लैंड जहां आप पहुंचोगे. तो याद रखना बेटा, खाना यहाँ से खाते हैं हम लोग अपनी लैंड में, पता नहीं वहां कहां से खाएंगे. राइट? हम अपनी दुनिया में हम खाना मुंह से खाते हैं. We eat from here. I don't know topsy turvy land में कहां से खाएंगे. Right? So think about all those things. Now let us see. Yes, for when you are for when you are going, you are coming back in topsy turvy land. Means if you are going, means you are coming back. क्या कह रहा है? This line what is saying? In topsy turvy land, अगर आप जा रहे हो यानी कि आप वापस आ रहे हो. अगर आप वापस आ रहे हो, इसका मतलब आप जा रहे हो. Right ना? Yes. So in topsy turvy land means everything is opposite. तो हर एक काम opposite होता है topsy turvy land में. Everything. Now just think. आपने बाल ऐसे किया अभी, हो सकता है टॉपसी टर्बी लैंड में बाल ऐसे करने का मतलब होता है बाल वापस, एनीथिंग, इट मे बी एनीथिंग. यस, कुछ भी हो सकता है. राइट ना? सो लिसन केयरफुली स्टूडेंट्स. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पोएम रिटन बाय एच यू विल्किंसन, एंड इट्स अ लैंड वेयर एवरीथिंग इज अपसाइड डाउन. एवरीथिंग इज अपसाइड डाउन. Yes. So students, let me repeat the poem again. The people work upon their hats. The sea is made of sand. Now let me write down on the board. Okay, now come back again to our point. Topsy Turvy Lane, it is a poem. It's a poem written by H.E. Wilkinson. In Topsy Turvy Lane, the people means log. The people, the people work upon their head, work upon their head. This is their head, and they work upon their head. Yes, and what about the sea is made of sand. The sea, look here, the sea is made of sand. Students, look carefully. In topsy-turvy land, people work upon their head. The sea is made of sand, and the children go to school by night. The children go to school by night, by night. So, students, look here. This is the first paragraph explanation. The first stanza. In topsy-turvy land, the people, people walk. People in topsy-turvy land, people work upon their head. The sea is made of sand. Children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. This is the first stanza. Means in first stanza, the poet he wants to describe about such land where everything is upside down. Everything is upside down. Ulta pulta. सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा है. Now here look here. The poet is saying that it is such a land where people work upon their head. The sea is made of sand, and children they go to school by night in topsy turvy lane. So this is the explanation of the first stanza. First stanza. Now let us see about the second stanza. What the poet wants to describe. The front door is the back door. Now look here. I am drawing a house here. मैं यहाँ घर बना रहा हूँ. Look here. यस आवर बैक डोर हमारा पीछे का दरवाजा कौन सा होगा ये होगा सो इन आवर लेन अपनी लेन में हमारा ये फ्रंट डोर है यस फ्रंट स्टेप हमारा फ्रंट स्टेप है सो इन टॉपसी टर्वे लेन दिस इज द बैक डोर दिस इज द बैक डोर एंड उनका फ्रंट डोर कहाँ है यहाँ है दिस इज देयर फ्रंट डोर मीन्स एवरीथिंग इज उल्टा पुल्टा अपसाइड डाउन मीन्स इन टॉपसी टर्वे लेन the front step is the back one and the back step is the front one. Okay, you are working when you stand means when you are standing you are working. आप जब खड़े हो रहे हो means you are working means what in topsy turvy land if you are standing it means you are working. It means you are walking. Look here, it's the explanation of the second stanza. In second stanza, in topsy turvy land, the front door is at the back and the back is at the front. You are standing when you are walking. When you are standing, you are working in topsy turvy land. You wear your hat upon your feet. Now in topsy turvy land, what? In our lane, अपनी लेन में हम क्या करते हैं? हम अपना हैट कहाँ पहनते हैं? सर पे. This is our hat. ये हमारा हैट है. Yes. यहाँ पे हैट पहनते हैं बट इन टॉपसी टर्वे लैंड वेयर इन टॉपसी टर्वे लैंड दे वेयर देयर हैट अपॉन देयर फीट. वो अपना हैट कहाँ पहनते हैं बेटा? यहाँ पे. यस लुक हियर फीट अपॉन देयर फीट यानी पैरों में टोपी पहनते हैं. क्या मैंने अपने पैरों में पहन रखा है टोपी? नो, मैंने सर पे लगा रखा है. राइट ना? बट इन टॉपसी टर्वे लैंड द पीपल वेयर देयर हैट ऑन देयर फीट. यस, ये भी हो सकता है कि वो अपने पैंट जो है ना ऊपर पहनते होंगे और शर्ट नीचे पहनते हैं. राइट ना? यस, इट मे हैपन. या इफ एवरीथिंग इज अपसाइड डाउन. एम आई राइट स्टूडेंट? यस. या नाउ लेट अस सी in topsy turvy lane. Now and the buses on the sea you will meet the buses on this sea. You will meet the buses on this sea. So look here students, look here. Yes, this is the bus. This is your bus. And you will meet the bus where? You will meet the bus. Where you will meet the bus? You will meet the bus. Yes, you will meet this bus. The bus is on this sea. You can see. हमारे यहाँ तो buses road पे चलती हैं. On the road. In our lane, the buses travel on the road. But in topsy turvy lane, the buses travel in the sea. While the pleasure boats are plain. While the pleasure boats are plain. While boats means नाव. ये जो नाव होती है ये टॉपसी टर्वी लेन में कहाँ चढ़ती है? रोड पे. ROAD on the road. They travel on the rod. You can meet the boats on the rod to travel up and down in topsy-turvy land. Yes, streets, to travel up and down on the streets. You can find in topsy-turvy land, if you are searching for a bus on the road, you will not get bus. अगर आप टॉपसी टर्वे लेन में रहते हो और आप सड़क पे खड़े होके अगर बस का इंतजार करते हो, you will never get a bus. You will get what? Boat. Yes, traveling on the road. Yes, you will find what buses on, pleasure boats on the road. Yes, you can see traveling what boats on the road. Okay, fine. You pay for what you have never get. आप जो चीज आपने कभी ली नहीं उसके लिए आपको पैसे देने होते हैं. You have to pay for that. Yes. Now, I think it must be grand. Now here, the poet is thinking about a small child. एक बच्चे की तरह, एक बच्चे की सोच में है कवि, और वो कह रहा है कि बड़ा मजा आता होगा ऐसे लैंड में जहां हर चीज उल्टा होता है. Yes. For when you are coming, you are going back. Or for when you are go, you are coming back. Means if you are going, means you are coming back. Or if you are coming back, means you are going. Yes, means look here. What I am doing? I am coming. Yes, I am coming. Means क्या हो रहा है? मैं आ रहा हूँ इसका मतलब मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am going back. और मैं going back हो रहा हूँ इसका मतलब मैं आ रहा हूँ. So everything is topsy turvy, upside down in topsy turvy land, and it's a poem written by H.E. Wilkinson. So how was the poem? I hope students you got the poem, you got it, and I think it was very interesting. It was a very interesting poem. So you can discuss in your home everything. कि मम्मी in topsy turvy land or with your parents you can share it. आप share कर सकते हो that in topsy turvy land everything is opposite. मम्मी हम या टॉपसी टर्वे लेन में हर चीज उल्टा होता है. चलो चलते हैं. लेट अस गो टू टॉपसी टर्वे लेन. हम सब खरीदेंगे पर पैसे नहीं देने होंगे. Right? Yes. So I hope it is very interesting poem written by H.E. Wilkinson, and I hope children you enjoyed this poem. Now, at the last moment, let me read the poem. So look carefully. The people work upon their hats. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. The front door is at the back. You are walking when you are standing. You wear your hat upon your feet. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. And the buses on the sea you will meet, while pleasure boats are plain on the road to travel up and down the streets in topsy-turvy land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. For when you are going, or for when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. Students, I hope it was a very interesting poem we learned today, and it's a humble request from my side to each and every student. Please recite the poem, learn the poem by heart. If you repeat it again and again, then it will become easier for you to learn the poem. The people work upon their hats. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. If you repeat it again and again, you will be able to learn the poem by heart. बिना देखे आप इस poem को recite या learn कर सकते हैं. So it's my request to each and everyone, please try to learn the poem and try to find out some of the meaning. We will repeat the poem tomorrow again. कल हम इस poem को फिर repeat करेंगे. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.